Here it is, Country Girl's Ford Fusion. Poor Country Girl. She must have had her car broken into or something. I don't know what the deal is here with this can opener situation. I'm interested in her door mechanism over here. Let's see if I can get it off. See, these here are Torx, and that one down there is some like 8mm or something. Why didn't they make that one a Torx so I could take it off with one tool? That's the question of the moment. We're undoing the 7mm screw. We're down to the doohickey. This one looks like it's functioning properly. Looks like I get the old one out by prying it out here. And I get this one out by taking off this thing here. And after that, I'm calling it bueno and getting out of here, I think. Here's your problem. That's the window, and it's coming down with this thing. I guess I gotta unhook it somehow. Probably right here. Take that thing off. It might be better. I'll get back with you in a minute. Alright, here's the conclusion so far. I'm just going to get the handle off of this thing. And the reason is that in order to get that actuator off, you have to remove this thing. There's a bunch of screws and bolts in here, and there's T27s and T25s in here that you have to pull out somehow. I don't feel like dealing with it at the moment. I'm going to speculate that my problem will be solved by just the changing of this handle. And I could be wrong, and if I am, I'll come back out here and get it next time I get out here. Anyway, that's it for now.